Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I install my brand spanking new Mazdaspeed muffler. Getting straight to today's project on yet another beautiful Saturday morning. Gotta say I'm very excited here, eager to get this exhaust fixed and to hear what it sounds like. Got my trusty Sawzall in action, making my cut near the previous welds, but then disaster strikes right here. And got a small boo-boo there. My saw blade broke at the tip and it got stuck in the pipe. Unbelievable. I think those were just cheap blades. So now I gotta get the blade out of the pipe. Continuing the fresh blade, you can see that this just cuts right through this pipe, looks like butter, no problem. Got the old muffler and the improperly welded pieces out of the car, and now the only thing left to do is to get the center resonator pipe out, only 2 bolts holding it. Gotta say, working with these jack screw stands really helps you out if you're doing some work like this. Helps you be able to do this, make it a one-man job. But the only thing I dislike about these things is that, you know, they get a little wobbly, as you're going to see here in just a few seconds. I'm just taking this bolt out, and once I got the bolt out, I needed to release the jack screw stand away from the pipe. I was using it to press it against the ceiling, and I set it aside, and because of these things have a small foot on them, they kind of get kind of wobbly there. I had to kind of catch it. You're going to see this in just a second. So if you're ever working with those, make sure these things are stable. Yeah, you can see that could turn over and injure somebody. So anyway, got the pipe out of the way. Got the new one going in. Oh, something else about this pipe. I forgot to mention this in the video. My trip to the salvage yard at LKQ. LKQ actually at the time was selling pipe and other metal pieces. You can buy metal from them. Any kind of tubing or anything like that. They were selling it at $2 per foot. Now this center resonator pipe was 5 feet long, so 2 times 5 is 10, and I got this pipe for $10. Oh, I was so excited because that was such a cheap fix. I thought it was gonna be something expensive, plus tax and everything came out to around 12 bucks. So basically a steal. Got this out of the junkyard for next to nothing. Yeah, but gonna go ahead and put some lube spray on the studs for the exhaust hangers. And this is the brand new Mazdaspeed muffler. I'm very excited. Speeding up here, trying to get this muffler in. That's the left exhaust hanger getting put on right now. Then I move over to the right one. And something else I got. I couldn't stop looking at this muffler. It's true what they say. When you actually see one brand new in person, this thing has a beautiful shine to it. I don't know why it's so shiny, but I almost didn't want to put it on the car. It was just so shiny. A little bit of an adjustment there, and zap it down with my 3/8 air gun. Some 13mm nuts, and she's in. She's ready to go. Tighten down these final screws here, nuts and bolts. Get everything nice and tight. And I can remove the jack screw stand. She's in. There you go. Installation complete. Now this is the final step. I know this is a little silly because this is underneath the car and it's going to get dirty, but I was so overwhelmed by the shine of this exhaust. I just had to, you know, take some WD-40 or something, some spray, kind of spray that on a rag and wipe all the fingerprints off there, because this muffler is blinging, man. This thing is beautiful. Very shiny piece. So, but I am eager to get the car down and hear what it sounds like. So stay tuned. Coming up next, we got the sound check for the Mazdaspeed Protege muffler. We'll see you next episode.